Cytec Aeron. Cytec Aeron is a air purifying technology developed by J Clean Weather Technologies company based in Pune's Cytec Park. This technique can help to disinfect closed spaces and rooms. This technology was developed under Nidhi Prayas program initiated by Department of Science and Technology. Studies have shown that use of this technology can reduce the viral load of a closed space by 99.7% within an hour, depending upon size of the room. The Cytec Aeron ionizer machine generates negatively charged ions. The negatively charged ions generated by this ionizer, they form clusters around microparticles such as airborne fungi, corona and influenza viruses, bacteria, pollens, dust, and so on. And through a chemical reaction, they form highly reactive OH hydroxyl group, which acts as detergents. This detergent property generated in this chemical reaction, it helps to break down the outer protein of allergens, viruses and bacteria, which helps in controlling airborne diseases. This air purifying device can also decompose gaseous pollutants like carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide and volatile organic compounds. The efficacy of the ion generator has been tested on different types of pathogens like influenza virus, Coxsackie virus, poliovirus, human coronavirus, and many types of allergens, bacteria, and fungi. It could also be useful against floating viruses in the air on public transport, train stations, or airports, and especially within confined spaces like plane cabin and houses, hospital wards, and so on. Now, the application of this machine is very obvious. This machine can be used to disinfect spaces where coronavirus patients are kept for treatment. This technique can reduce the chances of doctors, nurses, and other care staff to catch the virus.